Hi there, thanks for checking out my DIY tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the tiered tray. Now all items here are from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. I've got the pack of 2 burner covers, 2 candlesticks, a bag of wooden beads, and E6000. As you can see here, I have 4 beads. Go ahead and get 5 because you're going to want to glue 1 in the middle so that your pan here is supported. Just make sure all of the beads are the same height so you don't want it to rock. Doesn't really matter if they're the same color. We're going to spray paint this. So once you do that, go ahead and take a little drop of the E6000 glue and do it in, make an X and then 1 in the middle you'll glue. So here I'm just going to add the E6000 glue to the bottom of the candlestick, and then I'm going to set it on that bottom pan. And if it's not perfectly even, you just kind of move it around and get where you want. Then what I went ahead and did is I added more of the E6000 glue around the base. Just imagine as if you're caulking, I don't know, a bathtub or something. You just add the glue, and then I took a paper napkin and just kind of rubbed around the edge of it to give it that smooth finish. The first one, it didn't matter so much because that's underneath and you don't see it. But this one, when it's set on a table, you will see that bottom piece. So you want that to be flush and smooth. And any of the glue that dries, you can then go in and sand it down if you need to. And then my plan was to spray paint it right after, and I'll show you what happened there. Okay, so as you can see, the spray paint did not work out so well. What happened was it rained moments after I had just finished spray painting it, and even though it was on the balcony, the humidity and condensation, the paint just bubbled right off the glass part. Everywhere else, it held pretty nicely. So I'm gonna just give it a sanding with my sanding block from the Dollar Tree and then glue beads around the edge. So here I found some Mardi Gras beads in my daughter's stash of costume jewelry. However, they are from Dollar Tree. And I just hot glued them around the edge. I figured since I'm going to be spray painting it again, why not add some embellishments to it? This is totally optional. You don't have to do it. I just thought I'd try it. Why not? So you're just going to glue the beads around that lip of the pan. And I did this on the top and the bottom tray. Just hot glue it on and then go ahead, make sure it's not raining outside, and spray paint the entire thing. A very light dusting of the spray is what you need. Okay, so here it's all done. After I went ahead and spray painted it, I went in with a black Sharpie marker, just any Sharpie that I had on hand, and I just kind of went around and kind of made it look like that chipped enamel look. And you guys, this is not perfect, obviously, but it cost me, I don't know, $4 or $5 from the Dollar Tree. I had the paint, I had the marker, and the glue on hand. But it's just a cute little craft to do, and it's fun. Now I'm excited to decorate it for different holidays and put all the little things that I've been making. You know, it's just a fun thing. So if you've made one of these, please tag me in any of your posts so I can see what you've done. I'm so excited to see. I love seeing what other people make and create. It inspires me, and this has just been a really fun hobby of mine. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Please tag me. My Instagram name is Coffee Crafts and Chaos. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.